Hey, it's Mark Ling here again, and in this video we're going to look at changing the way that the links look at the top of the page, just make it look a bit nicer. So all we do is we go back into our dashboard and we go to settings, sorry it's slightly off screen there, settings, and we look for permalinks, and we're just going to simply change that to this. So now it's just the post name without the date in it. Alright, simple as that, and click Save Changes, and that's all there is to it. So now I could go to any post on here. That's obviously going to be really long because I've made that post name really long, but let's say this one here, 5 signs is the right man for you. I click Edit, and if I go click Preview on the post, we'll see now it's obviously it'll be without that preview text if you want to just see the post itself, but there we go, greatlifehappiness.com/5 signs he's the right man for you. Done. I mean, I could categorize posts if I was to have all these categories and stuff, but I'm not going to, so it'll just go like that because it's going to be just light on articles, this particular site. Okay, so go back to the dashboard, and you can see in the settings anyway, I got that. Just to remind you, that came from permalinks. Just did that little post name sample post. That's it. That's all you're ticking. Okay, that's it from this video. Bye for now.